Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the QuickBooks card reader. First, unbox your new card reader and ensure all components are present. Next, fully charge the device. This is crucial for optimal performance. Then, download the QuickBooks Go Payment app onto your smartphone or tablet. This app is essential for processing payments and managing transactions seamlessly with your new reader. Once charged, power on your QuickBooks card reader. On your mobile device, navigate to your settings and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Open the Go Payment app, go to its settings, and select Connect a Reader. Your device should appear. Tap to pair it. A successful connection is indicated by a light on the reader, confirming it's ready for transactions. To process a payment, open the Go Payment app and enter the total amount for the transaction. Choose the appropriate payment method. Either swipe a magnetic stripe card, dip an EMV chip card, or tap a contactless card or mobile wallet. The app will guide you through the process. Finally, confirm the transaction details and have the customer sign on your device if required. For smooth operation, always ensure your mobile device has a stable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you encounter any connection problems, try restarting both your QuickBooks card reader and the Go Payment app. This often resolves minor glitches. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your devices updated also helps maintain peak performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.